What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Teryflip, and today we have a question from Dina M, and she asks, Teryflip, God bless you. So very nice of you to go out of your way making videos just to help others. This is what I do. I have a question wondering if you may know the answer. I asked in the chat on one of their live webinars and they said it couldn't be done. Who said it couldn't be done? Perhaps they misunderstood me, because I got the idea from a Thinkific course I am taking. Laugh out loud. Did you really laugh out loud? So the area where you list all the lessons, how do you change the background color? The program I am taking has a black background color with their branding colors as accents. That's what I want for my course, and that's what you're gonna get for your course, Dina. Let's do it. First, log into your Thinkific site, click on Settings, Learning Content, Course Player Theme right here, and then of course you've got a choice between light theme and dark theme, no problem. In this case, we'll choose dark theme. Press save, and for your accent color, you just go to Course Player Styles, click on your accent color, and then change it to say, I don't know, maybe this green right here. Press save, wait for it to confirm. Done. Now let's check it out. Go to Manage Learning Content, Courses, and here's another pro tip. Your player settings are also right here. So if you want to get to that page from Courses, this is it. Click on your course, preview course as an enrolled student, and it's gonna pop up a new window. And bam, oh my God! No, not green, not green. Much better. Okay. So now here's a bonus tip. Now let's say I want my level 1 as a dark theme, but my level 2 as a light theme. You can actually change the theme per course. Here's how you do it. Click on Course 2, Settings, Course Player Appearance, and as you see, there's a dark or light theme. Click on Light Theme, press Save, wait for it to confirm. Now let's preview course as enrolled student, and there you go. So if you go back to your first course and press refresh, you'll see that this is going to stay in the dark theme. And if you go to your level 2 and refresh, it stays in light theme. Now the only caveat is this. When it comes to changing your accent per course, it'll only work in Pro or higher. And if you want custom theme color, you're gonna need custom code. And that's how you change your theme site-wide or per course. Dina, I hope this helped. God bless you. I'm Teryflip. Keep it steezy.